Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
It's almost 100 degrees Fahrenheit today here in Minneapolis. It's been over 90 degrees every day for 9 straight days, a record for June, and I'm still out here patiently potting pepper plants. I'm painfully aware that it's been almost a month since I posted a new video. My annual outdoor planting kickoff episode will be coming soon, but in the meantime, I wanted to take a moment to check in, let you know I'm alive and well, and provide a quick update. Thanks for your understanding while we took the time to provide hospice care to a much-loved furry friend. A lot of you follow 7 Pot Club on social media, and you've been very kind and understanding during a difficult time. Kat and I treasure each and every one of you. Gardening season is in full effect. I planted 41 in-ground plants on Memorial Day, and potting commenced the following day. As of today, I've transplanted about 150 hot pepper plants, and I've still got about 100 seedlings left. I don't think I'll have room in my front yard for each and every one of these, so I'll have to make some tough decisions. I want to be completely done planting by Sunday if possible. Wish me luck. Here's what to expect in the coming weeks. First, an outdoor planting spectacular covering the plant sale, final garden prep, planting, capsicum companions, garden tour, and the annual attack of the 4-lined bugs. Plus, I'm working on a new song for that episode. Next, the kickoff of our Fish versus Fowl Challenge, where I'll compare results from Fishnur Organic Fish Manure Humus Compost and Sustain Organic Fertilizer made right here in Minnesota with aerobically composted turkey litter. I'm also working on some new home recording studio videos for the 7 Pot Clubhouse YouTube channel. A lot more is coming as well, but I don't want to get ahead of myself when I'm already so far behind. Thanks so much for your continued support. If you enjoy our content, you can help us grow by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and tapping the bell to be notified when we post new episodes. Check out all our 7 Pot Club logo and hot pepper related apparel and other merch at 7pot.club/merch. If you'd like a free 7 Pot Club membership card and stickers, get the details at 7pot.club/card. And for even more 7 Pot Club, follow our daily exploits on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob.